Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the performance video of BGYO with the song entitled The Light. So this is the 3rd anniversary version of them. So I'm really excited for this video. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So it's been a while also since the last time I reacted to BGYO. So matagal-tagal na din silang hindi nakapag-release ng video. Last time ata yung Bulalakaw. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to BGYO, just check on my channel. So check natin tong 3rd anniversary version ng The Lights nila. Oh, year 3 na palang BGYO. Parang kailan lang yun. Hello, Aces! BGYO. Ooh! Iba ang settings ng music performance video nila Cool. Parang nasa lang kalye-kalye lang ng mga bahay-bahay. Iba talagang impact ng The Lights Woo! They look so good. Ganda nila tignan pag naka-black outfits Aki. Ooh! Astig, may pasipa-sipa pa ng upuan. Nate. Payat ni Nate siya. Pugi din. Ooh! Gwapo ni JL Ooh, jello, may pa pitik-pitik pa. Ooh, Mickey, bagong gupit. Wala na yung long hair niya. Wow guys, iba talaga ang impact ba ng The Light. Iba yung tunog niya, para ang sarap pakinggan. Ang ganda ng pagka-execute nila sa nila, yung mga moves nila. And one thing guys, I really enjoy this one is yung nila, yung sit up nila, yung sitting sa music video nila is para lang nasa ordinary community. Parang ang sarap lang panuorin nila at sarap pakinggan yung kanta nila. Parang parang nostalgic yung mga parang nakareminis ka nung time na naglo-launch sila. Parang 3 years na pala yun, parang bago pala. Ang ganda din ng nila guys, yung outfits as I mentioned a while ago na parang ang ganda nila tingnan pag naka-black outfits sila, parang astig ba. Parang bad boys talaga. Pero ang ganda ng nila, execution. Yeah guys, support naman natin yung BGYO. Yeah. Dapat naka-block din sana si Jello ng pants. May nagtitinda pa Fiesta ata to dyan na. Gusto ko yung haba ng buhok ni Mickey. Oh, sponsor? Astig. Ang bituin ay kaya nating abutin. Oh! Oh, go high. Ang cool sila eh. Ang pupugi nila. BGYOO. Ang ganda ng ano nila, anniversary version performance video ng ano, The Lights. Sarap panoorin, nakaka-relax. So there you go guys, my reaction to the performance video of BGYO with the song The Light. So this is their anniversary version. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. So guys, support naman natin tong BGYO. It's a ano to, parang Philippine pride. So if you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.
In the